Watch me show you how to design a stunning custom frame in Canva in less than 60 seconds. Hey guys! I have a short video for you today. I'm going to show you how to create a custom frame in Canva in under a minute. It's super easy and fun, so let's get started. Let's start out by telling you exactly what a Canva frame is. This is straight from Canva itself. It is a feature that allows you to add or crop images and videos into specific shapes. It's a great tool for adding creative touches to your designs. A custom frame lets you use your own images. I have detailed step-by-step instructions at the end of this video to go over these steps again, so don't worry. So start by grabbing your picture that you want to use with the object you have selected and place it into Canva. I was really wanting to use this flower shape today, and I just love this picture and I love this flower. So next, what you want to do is go up here and edit your image, and you want to click on Magic Grab. And this is going to highlight and different objects in your picture. And I want more than that center part. I want these little petals also. So I also click those, and the software is going to click this whole object for me. It's exactly what I want. So after this gets done grabbing it, I am left with a background and the object that we're going to be working with. So I'm going to be removing the background here. Just click it and hit delete. And I'm left with my object that I'm going to use as my mask or my frame. And what we're going to do with this object is we're going to download it. We're going to be putting this into a separate software. It's not PowerPoint or Photoshop. It is called Photopea, and it's a free software that we're going to use. Now you want to download this as a PNG with a transparent background, and just download this one page. That's all you need to do. And once you get finished downloading this, you're going to click over to Photopea. Photopea has a paid version and a free version. I use the free version. That's all I need for this. And you want to go and retrieve that file that you downloaded and just drop it right in here into Photopea. There we go. There's our image. Next you want to do is go over to this Layers tab over on the right and hover over that tiny little image and hit your Control button and click, left click. And you're going to notice this little dashed line around your object, exactly what we want. Next, go to the Path tab over on the right and slide down and hit the Selection to Path button. That dotted line turns to blue. Exactly what's supposed to happen. It has selected our object. Now we are going to go over here to Layers tab at the very top, slide down till we see Vector Mask, hit the current path. And if you notice over to the right side layers panel, you see we have our image and we have our mask there. This mask will be turned into our frame in Canva. So next thing we're going to do, we are going to download this so we can use it back in Canva. So let's go over here to File. We're going to export this as a PDF. And I always name this different so I don't get it mixed up with the file that I pushed over. So I'm just going to put Flower Frame Final on here so I know which one it is when I upload it back into Canva. And just hit your save button. Don't hit any other buttons on this page. Alright, let's go back to Canva. This is the image that we had uploaded to Photopea. I'm just going to go ahead and delete this. And I'm going to upload the image that we just made from Photopea. And I'm just going to click and drag it right on top of my Canva canvas. And it's going to download. Then once it's downloaded, I can drag it right over onto my canvas here. And I'm going to enlarge this so I can have a little more to work with. Now I'm going to right click and hit the detach image at the bottom, slide it over. I'm just going to hit delete. Look what you're left with. You have a beautiful frame. So let's play with this frame a little bit now that you have it. So that was quick and easy to make. So I'm just going to go over to Elements and just trial a few images. It's great to use your own images and videos also. But for quick trial here, let's see what we find in Canva. They have some beautiful images that you can use. And we'll just slide a few over till we find one that we like. Look at that. Now I made my background canvas a darker color so I can see the outline of my images here. Beautiful. So just dragging different ones over till I find one I like. Now, if you don't, you can actually manipulate your images in Canva in your frames also. Double click it and you can move it around, resize it, make them bigger, make them smaller to a certain extent. There, this is the picture I want. So I'm going to center that, make it a little larger. Beautiful. All right, that's how simple it is to make a frame in Canva. So I'd like you all to try this and let me know in the comments below what you think. Please subscribe to my channel, especially if you want more videos about items like this. Simple and easy. All right, here's the quick lowdown here. Choose your image that you're going to use, edit that image and grab what you want out of it. Download it as a PNG file with a transparent background. Open your Photopea software in a different tab window and upload your PNG file. And in the layers panel to right, hold your cursor down over the tiny image and hit Control and click. Click your path button at the right and slide down in selection to path symbol. At the top bar, choose layer, vector mask, and current path. Now you're ready to download. Hit the File tab, Export As, and save it as a PDF. Back in Canva, upload your new PDF to Canva. Right-click your image, detach it, voila, you got a frame. Simple as that.